After studying and analyzing Amazon and Jeff Bezos's business journey, we came up with 9 principles that guided Bezos's success to becoming one of the most successful entrepreneurs in history. So each principle will be discussed, and I am sure this will be a game changer if you are looking to start your own online business or if you are already making money online. Hello everyone, and welcome to Inspire Canal Media, your go-to channel for personal development, where we dive into powerful topics designed to unlock your full potential and help you live the life you truly deserve. If you're looking to elevate your life, sharpen your skills, or find that extra bit of motivation to brighten your day, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of online business through the lens of one of the richest men in the world, Jeff Bezos. Known for his relentless focus, innovation, and customer obsession, Jeff Bezos turned a small online bookstore into the global powerhouse we now know as Amazon. If you're ready to learn how to make money online using Bezos's strategies, you're in for a treat. Before we jump in, remember to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to start building your online empire. Now, let's take a closer look at Bezos' approach to making money online and how his principles can inspire your own journey. To understand how Jeff Bezos makes money, it helps to know a little bit about where he started. In 1994, Jeff Bezos left his high-paying job on Wall Street with a bold vision: to start an online bookstore. He founded Amazon in his garage, and the website launched in 1995 with the slogan, "Earth's biggest bookstore." Bezos' vision wasn't just to sell books, though. He wanted to create a marketplace where people could find anything they needed and have it delivered to their doorstep. From selling books, Amazon expanded to electronics, groceries, and even cloud computing. Today, Amazon is one of the largest companies in the world, with products and services in almost every industry. Bezos's journey wasn't just about creating a store, it was about transforming the way we buy and sell online. So let's look at some of his key principles for making money and how they can guide you in your own online ventures. Principle number 1, embrace a long-term vision. Jeff Bezos didn't build Amazon with a get-rich-quick mentality. He famously said, "If we can keep our competitors focused on us while we stay focused on the customer, ultimately we'll turn out all right." Bezos's vision for Amazon was long-term from day one, and he emphasized reinvesting profits back into the business to drive growth. If you're looking to make money online, think big and plan for the long term. Instead of focusing on short-term profits, build something that will last. Reinvest your earnings into your business, whether it's by expanding your product line, improving your website, or enhancing customer service. Principle number 2, customer obsession. One of Bezos' key principles is what he calls customer obsession. He believes that if you focus on making your customers happy, everything else will fall into place. Whether you're running an online store, offering freelance services, or creating digital products, always prioritize the customer's experience. Let's say you're running an online clothing store. Follow Bezos's example by focusing on quality customer service, easy returns, and fast delivery options. Small details like these make customers feel valued and more likely to return. And in the online world, repeat customers are worth their weight in gold. Principle number 3, focus on innovation and constant improvement. Bezos is known for his commitment to innovation. He's constantly pushing Amazon to do better and offer more, from Amazon Prime to AWS and even Alexa. He believes that innovation isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must if you want to stay competitive. Imagine you're running a digital marketing consultancy. Look for ways to add value to your services, like offering an exclusive analytics dashboard or personalized marketing strategies. Just as Amazon launched Prime to add convenience, adding unique features to your business will help you stand out and attract more clients. Principle number 4, Leverage technology and automation. Jeff Bezos saw early on that technology could streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve the customer experience. Amazon's use of AI, machine learning, and logistics automation is legendary. For anyone looking to make money online, learning to leverage technology is key. If you have an online store, use tools to automate tasks like customer follow-ups, inventory management, or targeted advertising. Automation not only saves time, but can improve your response times and service quality, which is exactly what Bezos aimed for with Amazon. Statistics show that e-commerce automation can increase sales by up to 20%, according to recent studies. Principle number 5, data-driven decisions. Another Bezos principle: make decisions based on data, not guesses. Amazon is known for its data-driven culture. Everything is measured, from customer satisfaction to delivery efficiency, and this approach allows the company to make informed decisions. Let's say you're running a blog with affiliate marketing links. Use analytics to track which articles get the most clicks and optimize your content based on the results. Just as Amazon tests everything on its platform, you should constantly refine your content to maximize engagement. Principle number 6, take calculated risks. Bezos believes in calculated risks, famously saying, "I knew that if I failed, I wouldn't regret that. But I knew the one thing I might regret is not trying." He encourages entrepreneurs to take risks that have a high potential payoff, even if there's a chance of failure. Maybe you're an online seller focused on a particular niche, like eco-friendly kitchenware. Consider expanding into related products, like eco-friendly cleaning supplies. Testing new products can be a risk, but it's also a way to grow. Just be prepared to adjust if things don't go as planned. Principle number 7, mastering scalability. Bezos scaled Amazon with a focus on sustainability. He designed the company to grow fast without losing its foundation. If you want to make serious money online, scalability should be a key part of your plan. If your business is growing, you might need help handling customer support or fulfillment. Outsourcing these tasks can help you scale efficiently without burning out. This way, you can focus on strategic growth rather than day-to-day tasks. Principle number 8, building a recognizable brand. Amazon's brand is trusted worldwide, and that's no accident. Bezos emphasizes building a strong brand that people know and trust. For your online business, it's important to create a brand that reflects your values and vision. Let's say you're building an online personal brand as a financial coach. Make sure your message, tone, and visuals are consistent across all your platforms. A strong, recognizable brand creates trust and encourages more people to engage with you. Principle number 9, perseverance and patience. Finally, Jeff Bezos is a big believer in patience. Success doesn't happen overnight, and it requires a long-term commitment. Amazon wasn't profitable for years, but Bezos was willing to wait because he believed in his vision. If you're building an online presence through a blog or YouTube, remember that it takes time. Consistently produce content, learn from your analytics, and keep improving. In time, your audience and earnings will grow. To sum up this video, here are the 9 principles we discussed in this video. We came up with these principles after analyzing Amazon and Jeff Bezos' business journey. Principle 1, embrace a long-term vision. Principle 2, customer obsession. Principle 3, focus on innovation and constant improvement. Principle 4, leverage technology and automation. Principle 5, data-driven decisions. Principle 6, take calculated risks. Principle 7, mastering scalability. Principle 8, building a recognizable brand. Principle 9, perseverance and patience. So there you have it, how to make money online according to Jeff Bezos. His principles aren't just for big corporations. They're incredibly useful for any entrepreneur looking to build a sustainable online business. You can start with one principle at a time and apply the next principle as your business grows. But always remember the ninth principle, as many give up so early just when they are about to see the results. Be patient and persevere in building your online business. Drop a comment below about which Bezos principle resonates with you the most. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.